Okay, good morning, everyone. We are now back to our next video. So for today's video, it is again a continuation of our chemistry session, and that would be all about mole concept. Okay, so let's start. And again, the title is How to Convert Number of Moles to Molecules. And again, I am your science teacher, Teresa May Sanco Bermudez. Okay, we have here now example. This is the sample problem that we are going to solve for today. How many molecules are there in 4.0 moles of carbon dioxide? And we have to remember, you have to take note, dear students, that 1 mole is always equivalent to 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd particles, or that is the Avogadro's number. Okay, now let's start our journey to solve this given problem. Again, since we have this problem, you need to convert molecules to moles. Thus, using dimensional analysis approach, you will be able to convert the number of moles to its equivalent amount in the number of particles. Okay? Now let's start. So since this is a conversion of units and using dimensional analysis, so we have to take note that we need to solve the number of molecules. Okay, so for this problem, the formula would be number of molecules is equal to the number of moles multiplied by Avogadro's number, and that is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd molecules. Okay, let's start. Okay, solution. So we have here 4.0 moles of carbon dioxide multiplied by 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd molecules over 1 mole of carbon dioxide. Take note that in every 1 mole of any atom, any compound or molecules, any formula unit, any particles is equivalent to 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. Now, if you can notice, we are using now the unit molecule since that is our unknown for this problem. Now, using calculator, so make sure that you have your scientific calculator with you and you know how to use this calculator or the scientific calculator. So all you have to do is to enter the problem, okay? So using this one, this is 4, okay, 4.0 multiplied by 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd molecules. So 6.02 times, so using this one, you are going to, okay, to enter the exponent of 10 to the 23rd. So just shift, okay, nakikita ba? Shift log, okay, yan. Shift log 23. Okay, eto siya. So that is 4.0 times 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd molecules is equal to, the answer is 2.408 times 10 to the 24th. Okay, now let's proceed to the solution or to the final answer. Now, take note, we have to follow the rules in rounding significant digits or significant figures. So, if in the calculator, the answer is 2.408 times 10 to the 24th or 2.41, or 2.4 times 10 to the 24th molecules of carbon dioxide. Now, let's discuss how to get the final answer according to the number of significant digits or figures. Now, let's proceed to the next slide. Okay, so here's the solution. It's the previous slide. Okay, now the rule for multiplication and division. So for multiplication and division, your answer must show the same number of significant digits as the measurement in the calculation with the least number of significant digits. Now let's try to examine now the given. How many significant figures are there in each given? So we have here the given 4.0 moles of carbon dioxide. And if you can see, we have 4.0. So there are two significant figures. Then another given is the number of Avogadro's number, is equivalent to 1 mole of carbon dioxide in our sample problem. So 6.02 has three significant digits or numbers. So for the rule, you have to get, or your final answer should have the same digits as the least number of significant digits. So therefore, what is now our final answer? Can I hear? Okay, very good. The final answer based on the number of the least significant digits from our given problem is 2.4 times 10 to the 24th molecules of carbon dioxide. Okay? So hopefully you've learned something new from this video. And now this is now your chance in your time to solve two given problems for today's task. Okay, thank you. See you later. Okay, and now since we are done with this slide, we will always remember that to convert from moles to atoms, you have to multiply the molar amount by Avogadro's number. Okay? Now it's your time to shine. You can now go back to your LMS course and do the task. You should prepare periodic table of elements if necessary, your scientific calculator, your pen, your paper, and that's it. See you for the next one. Bye.